What's going on, everybody? Jaden with Rugged Radios here, and today we have another great product spotlight for everybody. Today's product spotlight, our Rugged Radios Alpha Accessory Kit. The Alpha Accessory Kit comes with a bunch of awesome accessories for your pre-existing radio and intercom communication system. One of them being our waterproof rocker switch for the radio and intercom power. Another fantastic accessory that comes in the Alpha Accessory Bundle is our radio and intercom magnetic cover for the multi-mount. This cover is great. Watch how easy it places on the multi-mount to protect your investment. The Stealth antenna is great for your group rides and your close range communications. The Stealth is super short and out of sight, the perfect antenna for any ride. The R-Wrap cable ties are great for your coax cable, intercom cables, and any other cabling in the vehicle. It doesn't allow any crimping, any cutting on the coax or intercom cables, and keeps your install as clean as possible. The flush mount allows for clean installation of your intercom cables. No cables running around the vehicle, easily mount them on any flat surface. The off plugs weatherproof your intercom cables. Once they're flush mounted, stick the off plug right in there and keep all the dust and debris out. If you're using helmet kits, this intercom cable extension plugs directly into the existing cable and right to your helmet. That way you can flush mount your jacks while using your helmet kit. The Baja Boot neoprene cover for the back of your radio and intercom keeps all dust, debris, and weatherproofs the back of your radio and intercom. And at the end of the day, the Alpha Accessory Kit comes with a giant Rugged Radios gear bag for your helmets, your headsets, whatever it is, your snacks, everything can go into this gear bag. It is just a great addition. Zip it up and right into the back of your car for easy transportation. Take your communications to the next level with our Rugged Radios Alpha Accessory Kit. For all your pre-existing radio and intercom systems, this is what you need.